You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this brand name or the series of shoes if you want to learn how to pronounce Adidas correctly. I'm saying Adidas on purpose because it's not how you should pronounce it, but stay tuned, I've got a video for you there. The German pronunciation, meaning special, is Spezial, Spezial, okay, not Spezial. Other videos on YouTube say it's Adidas Spezial. It's normally from German Spezial, Adidas Spezial, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.